Hello everyone, welcome to another GDevelop tutorial. Sorry I haven't been doing these things for a while. It's just that I've had a lot of other, school stuff and stuff to be doing, so I'm doing it now. So in this tutorial you see that I just have like a simple picture and I can shoot bullets out of the person at these S's. They were like proper sprites, but for some reason they got deleted somehow. And it shows your kills up here. Yeah, so this is all of the stuff for it. This is what was in the original Zombie Fighter game. You can download it still, but it's pretty trash. So, yeah. So what we're going to be doing is when the counter of kills reaches like a certain amount, you're going to change the scene or something's going to happen. So to do that, it's actually quite easy. You see that I have a variable, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I have a variable called kills. Yep, here we go, that's there. So scene variable kills is equal to 0. And at the start of the scene, you'll do this. And so all we got to do, because whenever the bullet is in the collision with zombie, it adds 1 to the kills, and every every time it does this, it updates the text of this to show kills plus to string variable kills, and that's how you show a variable through text on the screen. So it's just on the text objects here, and modify the text, and you just do this. That's quite simple. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to make a new event, and we're going to do variables, value of a scene variable. We'll do kills. So when that is greater or equal to, let's do 10. Do I have another scene? Yeah, I do. Okay, then we'll change the scene. Change the scene. No, let's just let's change the scene to menu. I'm pretty sure it's called. Yeah. So hopefully this should work. If it doesn't, then that's not good, is it? Hey, look, it worked. Nice. So it changed the scene. Obviously, menu doesn't have anything in it because everything is just a bit messed up at the moment. But yeah, that's how you change the scene. Depending on how many kills you have, you just gotta make sure that the variable of your kills or things you've hit is greater than or equal to a number. Therefore, if it somehow jumps over that number through like a glitch or something, then it will still go to that scene or pause it or something. Because if you just did equal, then maybe if you hit 2 guys at the same time with 1 bullet, then it will still then if it was just equal, then it would not do it because it hasn't reached 10. It's gone past 10. So we're going to do greater than or equal to 10 and then change the scene. So make sure you set the variable to 0 at the start of the scene, and every time you hit something, add 1 to it, and then when it's at a certain value or more, then change the scene. And you can see it in action with this. So I hope this helped you. Yeah, sorry I haven't been doing these for like a month. It's because I've been working on a game and got school stuff and that to do. So yeah, thanks for being patient and watching. Hope this helped you. Goodbye.